So if you take the 8 essential amino acids, they are complete. They're 99% utilized to make body protein, and they're a perfect supplement for virtually anyone. You know, if you're a housewife and you have a cup of coffee and a bagel for breakfast, and a salad with 4 ounces of chicken for lunch, and some vegetables and maybe, you know, another small protein portion, you are gonna be protein malnourished.
Yep.
You are, I can guarantee you.
Yep.
I've measured these in really thousands of people. All vegans are protein malnourished.
Yeah.
All vegetarian, I'm saying all, almost all, vegetarians are protein malnourished.
Right.
You just can't get enough for what the body needs to keep up and keep healthy. So we just say, okay, if you enjoy that lifestyle, fine, do it. Or you're doing it for spiritual reasons, no problem. Just supplement with the things that you need so that your body doesn't deteriorate as you age.